The next one is called as symmetric encryption principles. Before learning the encryption principle, first you have to know some of the ingredients of this symmetric encryption. This asymmetric encryption scheme has 5 ingredients. Ingredient means elements. Okay, now see, this is the encryption technique we are using. In this encryption technique, we are using some of the ingredients like plain text. Okay, encryption algorithm, like that we are using some of the elements. The first one is called as plain text. This is the original message or data that is fed into the algorithm as an input. Here the plain text means the text which is sent to the receiver. If you want to send any message to the receiver, the text is called as plain text. It is in a readable format. Okay, and this plain text is actually given to a encryption algorithm which will scramble your data. The next one is called as encryption algorithm. The encryption algorithm performs various substitutions and transformations on the plain text. Now, job of this algorithm is to scramble your plain text information which is in the readable format into unreadable format. That can be done by using some mathematical formulas such as substitutions and transformations and create your encrypted text, also called as ciphertext. The next one I need is called as secret key. To encrypt this data, plain text, we need algorithm. To that algorithm, we have to use secret key. Depending on this secret key, whatever the secret key is provided by the user, depending on that one, the data is actually encrypted. Okay, the secret key is also an input to the algorithm. Apart from plain text, we are also feeding secret key to the algorithm. The exact substitutions and transformation performed by the algorithm depends on the key. Whatever the scrambling, whatever the substitutions done here, entirely depending on the secret key. So if you have only the cipher key, then only you can see the content of this data, encrypted data. So because this secret key modifies the plain text into encrypted text. The next one is called as ciphertext. The plain text is actually converted into ciphertext. This is the scrambled message. Okay, with the help of algorithm and a secret key, whenever you provide this plain text as an input, it will convert into ciphertext. This is the scrambled message produced as the output. It depends on the plain text and the secret key. For a given message, two different keys will produce two different ciphertext. What is the meaning of here is, if you have the same plain text but different two keys, secret key is changed, plain text is same and given to the algorithm, same plain text, two different secret keys given to the algorithms, it will create two different ciphertext. Okay, so I am telling the transformation is actually depending on the secret key. Next one is called as decryption algorithm. This is the opposite of encryption algorithm. This decryption algorithm also need the secret key as an input and ciphertext as an input. This is essentially the encryption algorithm run in reverse. This is a reverse process of encryption algorithm. It takes the ciphertext, this one, and the same secret key, this one, and produces the original plain text. Here the process is completely opposite of encryption algorithm. Okay, this is the ingredients needed for symmetric encryption.